Hello everyone, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm sharing with you the formulas for the chapter Introduction to Management Accounting and Marginal Costing. This unit is from the subject Cost Control and Management Accounting. This subject is for the students of BCom third year semester 6 students of Osmania University. So students, on screen you can see the formulas for the chapter marginal costing. Students, the chapter marginal costing is based on formulas. So every student must know the formulas. Without knowing the formulas, you will not be able to do the problems. So for doing the problems easily, you must know the formulas. So on screen I am sharing with you the formulas for the chapter marginal costing. So under marginal costing, the first one is marginal equation. Students, marginal equation is sales is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost plus profit. In abbreviation, we can write S is equal to F plus V plus P. The next one is contribution. Contribution is the difference between sales and variable cost. So the formula is sales minus variable cost. Or you can write the formula of contribution fixed cost plus profit. Then next one, break even point in units. The formula is fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. And the next one is break even point in rupees. Break even point in rupees is also called as break even sales. For that we have different formulas. First one, fixed cost into sales divided by sales minus variable cost, or we can find this break even sales by applying the formula fixed cost by PV ratio, or we can find out the break even sales with another formula, that is total sales minus margin of safety. Then next one is margin of safety. For margin of safety we have a formula, that is profit by PV ratio, or you can find the margin of safety by applying another formula, that is total sales minus break even sales. Next one is margin of safety ratio. For that margin of safety ratio, formula is margin of safety by total sales into 100. The next one, units to be sold to earn a desired profit. So for that we have a formula, fixed cost plus desired profit divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Now next is sales required to earn a desired profit. For that we have a formula, fixed cost plus desired profit divided by sales minus variable cost whole into sales. And the last one is profit volume ratio, that is known as PV ratio. For PV ratio, the formula is contribution by sales into 100, or we can find the PV ratio by applying another formula, change in profit by change in sales into 100. So students, these are the formulas for the chapter marginal costing. So these are the very important formulas. Without these formulas, you will not be able to do the problems. So every student must by heart these formulas. So in my next video, I will show you how to find these marginal costing problems. So before that, you must by heart all the formulas. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Very soon I am going to explain you the problems relating to introduction to management accounting and marginal costing, and another chapter decision making, budgetary control, standard costing and variance analysis, techniques of financial statement and analysis, ratio analysis, fund flow analysis, and cash flow analysis. So students, stay connected with us, inform your friends about the channel, about the videos, about the lectures, and about the upcoming videos, so that they also get to know and they also be benefited from our lectures and all the informations which we are providing on YouTube channel. So students, it's your turn to make this channel grow strong and succeed, and this will be possible only when you like and share the videos with all your friends. So students, start your turn, like the videos, share the videos with all your friends. Thanks for watching the video.